Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we will explore Apple in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 13th of February, 2025, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.59. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has undergone natural fluctuations, boasting a gain of 2.28%. This equates to an average return of 0.29% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper end of a broad and declining trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower segment of this trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $251.98 will initially suggest a reduction in the rate of decline and may serve as the first indication of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend points to a possible decline of 4.05% over the coming 3 months, with a projected range for returns between negative 15.21% and negative 2.13%. In terms of the long-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 41.50%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 31.44% and 55.48% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price ranging from $324.70 to $384.09. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Apple stock downgraded from buy candidate to hold accumulate after Tuesday trading session. The Apple stock price experienced a decline of approximately 0.0536% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025. The stock fell from $247.17 to $247.04. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated by 2.07%, with a low of $244.91 and a high of $249.98. Notably, the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days, marking an overall rise of 8.52% over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is considered a positive indication, as volume typically follows stock performance. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 4 million shares, with a total of 47 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $11.58 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $260.09, while the lowest price was $164.08. Currently, the stock price is 5.02% or $13.05 below the 52-week high of $260.09, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Recently, Apple shareholders reaffirmed their support for the company's diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives, rejecting multiple proposals to abolish these programs during a significant investor meeting. This decision not only showcases Apple's commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion amid a broader backlash against such initiatives, but also strengthens its corporate governance in the eyes of socially responsible investors. Maintaining these policies could positively impact employee morale and enhance the company's brand image in the long term, potentially leading to increased customer loyalty and higher sales. In a notable strategic move, Apple has announced a monumental investment of $500 billion in United States artificial intelligence infrastructure, which is likely to fuel significant growth and innovation within the company. This investment could position Apple not just as a leader in consumer technology, but also as a formidable player in the artificial intelligence landscape, attracting both talent and partnerships. Additionally, Apple has partnered with Dassault Systèmes to integrate its Vision Pro with advanced industrial three-dimensional software, opening new avenues in manufacturing and urban planning. This collaboration highlights Apple's strategy to diversify its offerings and leverage cutting-edge technology to stay competitive. In the short term, the positive shareholder decisions and significant investments could bolster investor confidence, potentially driving up the stock price. In the long term, Apple's commitment to innovation and diversity may fortify its market position, resulting in sustained growth and profitability. The overall outlook appears optimistic as these developments unfold. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Apple a reduced grade along with an upgrade action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Jefferies reported an underperformed grade for Apple, coupled with a hold action. On the same day, Goldman Sachs gave Apple a buy grade while also recommending a hold action. Additionally, on Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, Loop Capital Markets assigned Apple a hold grade with a downgrade action. Lastly, UBS reiterated their stance on Apple with an overweight grade, also suggesting a hold action on the same day. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Apple stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. For the return on investment, analysts classify the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Apple. The Apple stock demonstrates buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at $245.65 and $236. Should the stock drop below either of these levels, sell signals will be triggered. Furthermore, a buy signal is generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. However, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact the near-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Monday, February 24, 2025. And to date, the stock has decreased by 0.0536%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. During the last trading day, volume decreased alongside the price, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movement. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands suggested a buy signal 7 days ago. The short-term moving average pointed to a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 6 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages yielded a buy signal 3 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $236, and this level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $5.07 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.07%. In the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.48%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Apple, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively typical, often observed in companies with long-standing performance records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 1st of May, 2025. Analysts have consensus estimates set at $1.61. It is important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $247.17. If you do not own any shares, You may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $236. If this support level holds, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's review some recent insider trades. On the first day of February in 2025, Susan Wagner conducted an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. On the same day, Susan Wagner also executed an insider sale of 1,516 shares of restricted stock unit. On that same day, Ronald D. Sugar performed an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Again, on February 1st, Ronald D. Sugar sold 1,516 shares of restricted stock unit. On the same date, Monica C. Lozano made an insider purchase of 1,516 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.632. In total, insiders purchased 1,796,930 shares and sold 3,087,233 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $238.39, reflecting a decrease of 3.5%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, significantly heightening the risk factor. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple displays several positive signals. However, we do not deem these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to consider it as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical picture, we have adjusted our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate rating since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of February, we anticipate that Apple will open with an increase of 27 cents and commence trading at $247.31. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.